Hi there and welcome at Smully Art. Recently I made a video about these Playmobil Mystery Bags. I would open one of these bags and redraw the character I found inside in my own comic book style. And because you guys liked this video so much, I thought why not make another one, so I got myself another bag. So let's open this up, let's find out what's inside and let's draw it in my own style. Let's go! I got lucky for a second time now, as the character I found in this mystery bag is yet again right up my alley. A fantasy character with bat wings, devil horns and a lantern for a prop. The character only has one color, which makes it easy for me in the coloring stage, although I guess I will use some different shades of grey in my version. I'm really impressed with these characters you find in these mystery bags. They are great and original designs and my kids love them. And because they come in individual parts, you can swap and mix the heads, the bodies, the legs and the accessories to create brand new and exciting characters to play or even to draw in your style. Tell me guys, do you want me to do more of these or do you have other video ideas for me? Don't hesitate to mention them in the comment section. Okay, the rough sketch is done, time to break out some pencils to finish these lines and to add more details. And now that the pencils are done, it's time to kick this drawing into the last phase, and that is... painting time! Here we go. Well, that's it for this week's video. I hope you guys like my redrawing of this Playmobil character, and if you like the video guys, why not hit the like button, subscribe if you aren't already, and hit the bell to be notified when I put out new videos. It's every Friday, a great way to start the weekend. And if you want to help me and this channel out even more, please share this content on all your social media platforms, it would help a lot. I wish you all a great weekend, my friends. We will see each other again next Friday. Bye!